Packet Trap PSA, Customer Onboarding Video Series. Today, we're going to walk through the account settings of your PSA account. Once we're done, you should understand more about the login URL and how to change it, the company profile and why that's important, how to use multiple offices, as well as how to change the account options, the appearance, and upload your company logo. After you've logged into your Packet Trap account, simply go to the settings, drop down to account. Here, we can see some information on the account, such as users, but as well as our login URL. Here, our login URL is http://cd.packettrappsa.com. I can customize this by clicking the link here or by going over to our account URL. This account URL is important because this is where you'll log into your Packet Trap account. Not only will you log in there, but your users will log in using the mobile edition, as well as your customers using the portal. To change this, simply put your cursor in the field, put in your value, and hit Save Changes. Next, let's talk about the company profile. The company profile is the information about your company. So why is this important? Two key features to take away here. One, all this information is used to backfill the billing summary. And two, your country sets the currency used within the system. So you'll want to populate this information to make sure your billing summary is complete. To take a look at that, we're just going to click on Tickets. I'm going to go to the More Actions, do a quick print of the billing summary, and here we go. That information is found on the billing summary on the upper right-hand corner. So if you find this information lacking or not there, you'll know where to fill it in. Next, let's talk about multiple offices. You go to Settings, Account, Company Offices. Here we can see we have two accounts. Where the offices come into play are in the proximity search when trying to dispatch a technician. First, you'll populate an office and simply hit Save. Once that's done, going into the user, so we're now navigating to the users, we're going to go into TED Tech. We can now associate this user to an office. This user could have an office address, or it could be an address if this employee is remote, that has nothing to do with an office. But in this case, we're going to associate the user to the Denver office. Once that's done, we can see the proximity search in action when assigning a ticket. So we're going to go to the Tickets tab and simply click Assign. What we want to do is assign an unassigned ticket. We want to find an available user. This brings up our availability grid, showing us the technicians that we have available. We'll also see here the distance from the customer's address. This is driven from the user's profile and if they belong to an office or if they have a different remote address. So in this case, we can see Matt's closer than Ted. Maybe it's best that we dispatch him. Next, let's talk through our account options. By going to Settings, Customize, Account Options, we'll land on a page that shows us the feature set within your PSA account. In this example, I've turned off contracts and equipment. If these are features that you want access to, simply click off the features, hit Save Settings, and we'll now notice that both the equipment and the contract tabs have been opened up above here. They'll also be available through your customer profile. Next, we'll take a look at the appearance. Again, we want to go to Settings, Customize, Appearance. Here, in our page header, is the text that you'll see in the upper right. If you'd like to change that, many folks turn it to Help Desk or some other terminology that everybody is in sync with in the company. You can do that right here. You can then change the color theme if you'd like. Flip it over to a charcoal, click Save Changes, and we've changed the color. Change it back to the blue and black. Last, we want to take a look at uploading the company logo. Here I have an existing logo. However, to upload a new logo, simply click Browse, find the file, and upload the logo. You'll want to upload your logo because it's used in a couple different places. One, you'll notice if we go back to our account login page, underneath the Customize Login page, do we want to show our logo? Yes or no? If we choose to show our logo, both our users internally as well as our customers going through the portal will see our logo on the login page. Next, we'll want to take a look at the billing summary. Here, we choose to display the logo on the billing summary header or just the company name. In this case, we want to display the logo on the billing summary header. Take a look at that. We'll just go to Tickets. Again, we'll go Print. We'll choose the billing summary. And here on the upper right, or I'm sorry, left, we can see the logo. Just a quick recap. After this video, you should understand, again, more about your login URL, the company profile and how it impacts currency in the billing summary, how to use the proximity search in the multiple offices, the account options that you have available, the appearance, and the company logo. Thank you for your time. If you have questions, reach out to your Packet Trap Territory Manager.